Oh, okay. Howdy, gang. David, Handyman Braun. Oh, got a little project thought I'd share with you. Bought this Scott's yesterday. Kohler command engine on it. It hadn't been running for a couple of years. I just come back from the car wash cleaning it off. And unfortunately, I just about obliterated all the decals on the engine. But anyhow, it looks pretty decent. It's 10, 12 years old. It's a model S1642. And it's not bad looking. It's all complete. They said the deck ran and the axle's working good. Just hadn't used it in a couple of years. Got a massive oil leak from the engine. Already see a little drip from the drain plug, and maybe leaking around the oil seal. It's a pressurized lubrication system. Little rinky-dink things I got to fix. The wire on the fuel solenoid there on the bottom of the carburetor. I'm going to take the carburetor off and clean it out. It needs an air filter and a spark plug. Just change the oil after I get it running, and pretty sure it'll run good. Gas tank was clean, bone dry. It's got clean, brand new oil in it. Don't know why. Maybe they were messing with it and trying to get it running. But I got it real good deal. So tires look okay. Got one that won't hold air. Seat's kind of shot, but it could go another year or two. Someone wanted to. This right front tire, in good shape, but it just won't hold air. It was aired up for us to move it yesterday afternoon. That was it. But I'm going to go ahead and get it running. Just a little bit of tinkering, I think, will get it running anyway, and see where I stand from there. I was hoping the hood would come out a little better. It's pretty badly faded. But sell something like this for a few $100, and I'll still make out like a bandit on it for the deal I happen to get on it. So anyhow, my other project here, a neighbor brought this little Coleman PowerMate generator. It'll just start and die. It's been sitting several years. Man gave it to him, but he just wants to get it running and see. He had it running for a minute or two and tried a couple lights on it, and the generator worked fine, he said. PowerMate Pulse 1850. Little bugger, but that sucker's heavy to carry around. But anyhow, that's what I've been doing a little bit of lately. Drug out my massively overbuilt ramps to go get this sucker. Just had to go over into Joplin, Missouri, just 20-25 miles from us. So anyhow, got that, and that MTD yard machine's in there. Maybe this red Murray over here, find some parts to get it running. That's that opposed twin engine. And neighbor keeps bugging me, when am I going to get that John Deere Hydro 185 going? But it's going to take get a full restoration on it, and I'll be happy. I might even keep that. I don't know, see if somebody wants to buy it, snap it right up, I'll sell it. We'll just see how things going. My John Deere running good over there. Had to put a head gasket on my own John Deere this spring, and of course oil change and air filter and spark plug, and that took care of that. It runs like new. What do you guys think? I switched to Pennzoil on my mower, and multi-viscosity oil, 10W40. That's what John Deere is recommending nowadays, either 10W30 or 10W40 for their. Maybe this was a 10W30 oil I got. Put it in it, and it actually seems to run real smooth and quieter, and it just starts up every time, first time, and runs good. what everybody think about the multi-viscosity oils. We're kind of switching over to that nowadays. Yeah, you can still find straight 30 weight. Go to parts stores and pay out the yin yang for it. But I don't know. I'm seem to be doing good with the 10W30 Pennzoil, so it's not the pressurized lubrication system on it. I kind of wish it was, but then again, doing fine without it. So got this generator to work on for the neighbor, like I said, and chainsaw Pull-On Pro about finished. Got to find new air filters for it, and got a couple of those stupid little Pull-On Wild Thing chainsaws to fix up. Just need to sprucing up, all complete. 14, 16 inch, I guess a 14 inch, yeah. But this Pull-On Pro I've got to keep it because it's 18 inch and it was in its own case, so carry it around with me in the truck everywhere I go, I guess. So anyhow, that's what I'm doing. My smoker over there is given to me by the same neighbor. Needs a new firebox on it, and I'm going to cobble together one out of a toolbox and weld on the end of it, bolt on something, and hope you're all having a good and happy, safe summer. Hope 4th of July was a good 4th for you. Take her easy out there. In about 90 degrees or so here in southeast Kansas, but trying to stay cool. Got some Colorado Kool-Aid in the refrigerator in there for me tonight, so take her easy. Bye.